Like soil, air, and sunlight, water plays an essential role in the lives of plants. It is responsible or plays a part in many mechanisms like transporting minerals and chemicals, photosynthesis, and cooling. But how exactly water and plants interact to create the immense and thriving diversity that exists is something that is not well understood by many, even though it is so important to our everyday lives. Water enters a plant through its root system. Roots are organs of a plant that are responsible for a variety of functions, including food storage, structure, and, as mentioned, absorption. Once water is absorbed, it, along with dissolved minerals, will enter the xylem, which is a type of transport tissue in vascular plants. Water is able to move through the plant's xylem, sometimes up to great heights, because of what occurs in the plant's leaves. Through the act of transpiration, water is released and evaporated from leaf openings called stoma. Since by nature water is a very cohesive substance, when water is released from the stoma, it still remains connected to the rest of the water in the plant and pulls more up as it is evaporated. In some cases, when transpiration is low and roots absorb too much water, the roots themselves can create the force to move the water throughout the plant. Approximately 10% of the moisture found in the atmosphere is released by plants through transpiration. It can be easy to underestimate the amount of water a plant transpires, as we cannot necessarily see it happening, but in actuality it is quite a lot. An acre of corn transpires about 3,000 to 4,000 gallons of water each day, and a large oak tree can transpire 40,000 gallons per year. The amount of water a plant transpires and the efficiency at which it conducts it can be highly dependent on environmental conditions. On sunny days, transpiration is high because the stomas are triggered to open fully in the presence of light. On humid days, transpiration is less because it is difficult in saturated air. On hot days, transpiration is lessened in an attempt to conserve water. The interactions between water and plants make up an important part of the Earth's ecosystem that this video only began to touch on. It is something to be respected and conserved, as any negative impacts to the system will most certainly hurt us as well.